I, Honorable Shadrack John Mose,
I am confident that you have the requisite experience, understanding, and knowledge to support and provide leadership in the office of the Attorney General as the administrative head of that office. Having served in other capacities and having worked as a lawyer and a public servant as a member of parliament, I'm confident that you are adequately prepared to work in the office of the Solicitor General, to provide leadership, and to ensure that the government of Kenya gets the legal advice, guidance, and support that is necessary for the government of Kenya to discharge its responsibilities as required by the Constitution and the laws of Kenya.